Welcome to our channel. That name is Guruji. We will discuss chapter number 12 of class 10th. Chapter name area related to circle. So what is the meaning of circle? First of all we will understand, and in this section we will talk about these topics: center, radius, diameter, circumference, area, semicircle and quadrant of circle. How to know? We will understand. Here is the one circle O. O is a center. O. O is a center, and OA, OA or OB is a radius of a circle, and AB is complete line. AB is a diameter. Okay friends, diameter. Okay, the outer line of a circle, this line is called, this line name is circumference. Circumference, and the inner part, the whole part, the shaded part will be area of a circle. And what is the meaning of semicircle? If you have the one diameter and this upper part, the semicircle, and join the radius again, and this part is called the quadrant of circle. Quadrant of circle, this part will be quadrant of circle. Okay friends, and this part you will say quadrant of circle, and this part is the semicircle. Now we will discuss the formula. Diameter equal to 2 into radius, 2 into radius, and radius equal to diameter upon 2. Okay friends, diameter upon 2. Circumference of a circle, formula is 2 pi r, or you can say pi d, because 2r means diameter, so that means pi d. Area of circle pi r square, and area of semicircle, that means 1 upon 2 pi r square. So there are three formula. By the help of this formula you can solve exercise 12.1. Okay friends, question number first is here. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. What is the meaning of this question? We have the radius of a two circle, and two circle, join them, after you will get the one circle, and you have to find out the radius of a bigger circle. Okay, so given radii of two circles, r1 is equal to, first one is 19 centimeter and the second is r2 equal to 9 centimeter. Let the radius of the new circle be r centimeter. We know that circumference of a circle equal to 2 pi r, but we have and this line, circumference is equal to the sum of the circumferences of two circle. So we have 2 pi r equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Okay, according to question. Okay friends, the sum of the two circumferences equal to the new circumference. So 2 pi as it is, and 2r equal to 2 pi is common, and so r1 plus r2. The first radius is here, how much? r1, that means 19 plus 9. Okay, here it also 2 pi r, so 2 pi cancel by 2 pi, so r equal to 19 plus 9 is equal to 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter the radius of the new circle. So we can write, hence hence radius of new circle is 28 centimeter. This is your required solution. Very simple, you can understand. Question number next, the radii of two circles are 8 cm, 6 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. In this question, we have two circles and we have two radius here. The first one radius 8 cm and second one 6 cm. By the help of the two radii, and that will be equal the new area means pi r square. So you have to find out the radius of a bigger circle. So how to solve? Look at this one given. Radii of two circles r1 is equal to 8 centimeter and r2 equal to 6 centimeter. Okay friends, and let the radius of new circle be r centimeter. Okay, we know that formula, area of a circle equal to pi r square. According to question, pi r square equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Okay, here it is written area equal to the sum of areas of the two circle. Areas of two sum of the two circle equal to pi r square. We have r1 and r2 value. So now pi is common. So r1 square plus r2 square. Okay, pi r square. So here it is pi as it is, r1 square, value of r1 is 8 square plus 6 square, 8, and pi r square, pi cancel by pi. So r square is equal to 8 64 and 6 36, 6 square. So r square is equal to 100, and now r square equal to 10 square, and r square equal to 10 square. So that means r equal to 10 centimeter. This is your required solution. So now you can write hence radius of a new circle is 10 centimeter. That one is your required solution. So I think you can understand. Next question. Okay, next question. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? In this question, we have speed of a car 66 km per hour, and each wheel, the diameter is 80 centimeters, so that means the radius is 40 centimeter, and we have to find the number of revolution of a wheel in 10 minutes. How to solve? Look at this one. In this question given diameter of a wheel equal to 80 centimeter. How much here? 80 centimeter. So radius of a wheel equal to 80 upon 2, it is 40 centimeter, the radius of a wheel. Okay, next. So circumference of a wheel of a car equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 40. So this one is completed. Now we have to find the 10 minutes. 10 minutes and speed of a car. So speed of a car equal to how much? 66 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. And time equal to 10 minutes. So we will write distance covered by a wheel in 10 minutes. So how to write distance? So we know well what is the formula. Distance, speed equal to distance upon time. So that means distance equal to speed into time. Speed into time means speed how much? 66 kilometer per hour. So how to write 66 kilometer? Kilometer, that means you have to multiply by 1000, because here the 1 unit is centimeter, so we will convert kilometer into the centimeter. So multiply by 1000, so it convert into the meter, and meter multiply by 100, so it convert the how? Centimeter, right? So this is speed. And into time how much? 10. How much? 10 minute. 10 minute. So we have to convert into the 10 minute in hour. So divide by 60. So we will convert into the hour. So 10 upon 60. I think you can understand. Okay. So this one is completed over. So 0 cancel by 0 and divide by 6. So here it is the 11. So how much here? 11 into 10,000 into 100. So this one is complete here. Okay. Now we will write question here. Now number of revolutions of a car in 10 minutes. So here it is 11. So you will write 11 into 1000 into 100 and upon this value 2 into 22, 2 into 22 into 40 and into 7. So that one we will write here. Okay. Now you will 11 1 11, 11 2 22 and 2 1 2, so that become 50 and that become 25. Okay friends, and 0 cancel by 0 and 4 1 4, just come 25. So 25 into 25 into 7, 25 into 25, 625, multiply by 7, 7 5 35, 7 2 14, 14 plus 3 17, 1 carry, 7 6 42, 4 3 7 5. So that one your answer. Hence the wheel of a car makes 4375 revolutions in 10 minutes. So this is your complete solution. Okay, this one is question completed, and if you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. And thank you very much for watching this video.